What's up guys and welcome back to Rock Up Racing. We've got the 1968 911 back, Gurty. She is back. Had a full engine rebuild. You need to hear this car. Let's go.
Welcome to Rock Up Racing.
So the last time you saw Gurty, we had just done a cylinder leakage test, which showed there was rather a lot of leakage. Mainly due to that we were using the wrong fuel, so we were using 102, and unbeknownst to us it was supposed to be using 118, which is like rocket fuel. So we had no choice but to send the car to Richard Chamberlain, the 911 wizard. You might have seen him on track in GT Cup in his orange beast.
GRP tin.
Yeah, so they had to put all this tinware in because there was none there before and it was just overheating off the exhaust, wasn't it?
Yeah. Sucked all the heat
During
off itself.
Why have you got to swear? Your mum watches these videos.
She does.
So yeah, all this is new because it was the engine was breathing in the hot air from the exhaust.
We didn't have any of this.
No.
We've reduced the compression ratio so we can run it on sensible fuel.
So the piston tops didn't actually look bad, but we really needed to use some sensible fuel. We needed to use 102. So we swapped out the piston tops for some brand new ones. Okay, yeah, because it was
down to 11 to 1 now. Is that right?
Something like that.
Okay.
We actually, so you don't have to use 118 octane fuel.
Yes.
Rocket
So what can we just use now?
Just 102.
Olive oil.
Oh, 102. Nice. And it's got Motec management now.
Yeah. Gen V throttles.
So yeah, we have the Gen V throttles and the Motec. We also had some custom rods because we used 2-inch rod journals with the lighter crank, so we couldn't use off-the-shelf rods. The camshaft as well, we had to have that reground because that was worn. We also had them ground with the knife edge, so for less air resistance, which look absolutely incredible.
We've got new cylinder heads.
Electronic ignition.
Yeah.
Is that? Oh, I didn't know that.
Yep.
Yeah, no more distributor. That was the sexy bit, let's go.
Yeah.
Okay. That is filth. So there we have it. It sounds amazing. So the next step is to get it tested, so we'll be heading to Snetterton. So we'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.